The fourth round is about Asus. They have announced their MD100 Marshmallow Mouse for around 1500 rupees in India. A few details. It is available in a number of colors. It has a very minimalistic design. It's quite and perfect for daily work and study. It has a magnetic cover with readily removable color toppers that can come in the color set white, blue and lilac mist purple, making it simple to switch appearance based on settings and mood. It comes with a unique mouse strap that makes it simple to store and carry safely along with people who prefer to work on the go. Lifespan said to be 3 times more than normal mouse. It is durable, and one AA battery should operate it for more than a year. The pricing is around 1500 rupees. It should be available on sale from August 5th, online at Flipkart and Asus eShop, as well as offline at AES and Rogue locations. It has a dual mode connectivity that supports 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth with built-in power saving technology. That means a single battery should last up to 1 year. The mouse feet is composed entirely of PTFE, ensuring effortless movement across rough surfaces. The mouse surface has been treated to antibacterial guard, which over the course of 24-hour period suppresses up to 99% of the germs. Great, seems to be a good option. People should try it out, and let's see how it comes up to be. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.